affordable world's best tools to launch your online course. Launching an online course is an exciting journey, and having the right tools can make the process smoother and more enjoyable. Here's a description of some beautiful, affordable, and world's best tools to help you launch your online course. 1. Teachable. Teachable is a user-friendly platform that allows you to create, host, and sell online courses with ease. With beautiful customizable templates, integrated payment processing, and built-in marketing tools, Teachable empowers you to create a professional-looking course website without any technical expertise. Plus, its affordable pricing plans make it accessible for creators of all budgets. 2. Thinkific. Thinkific is another excellent option for launching your online course, offering a range of features to help you create and monetize your content. With drag-and-drop course creation, customizable templates, and robust marketing tools, Thinkific provides everything you need to build a successful online course business. And with its free plan and affordable paid options, it's a budget-friendly choice for course creators. 3. WordPress plus LearnDash. If you prefer more flexibility and control over your course platform, WordPress paired with the LearnDash plugin is a powerful combination. With LearnDash, you can easily create and manage online courses directly within your WordPress site, using its intuitive course builder and advanced features like drip content, quizzes, and certificates. While there may be some upfront costs for hosting and domain registration, the long-term affordability and scalability of WordPress make it a popular choice for many course creators. 4. Camtasia. Creating high-quality video content is essential for engaging your audience and delivering valuable course material. Camtasia is a versatile screen recording and video editing software that allows you to capture your screen, record presentations, and edit videos with ease. With its affordable pricing and intuitive interface, Camtasia is a valuable tool for course creators looking to create professional-looking video content without breaking the bank. 5. Canva. Visuals play a crucial role in capturing the attention of your audience and conveying information effectively. Canva is a beautiful and affordable design tool that offers a wide range of templates, graphics, and customizable elements to help you create stunning course materials, including presentations, infographics, and social media graphics. With its free plan and affordable premium options, Canva is a valuable resource for course creators on a budget. 6. MailerLite. Email marketing is a powerful tool for promoting your online course, nurturing leads, and building relationships with your audience. MailerLite is an affordable email marketing platform that offers a range of features, including customizable email templates, automation workflows, and detailed analytics. With its user-friendly interface and budget-friendly pricing plans, MailerLite is an excellent choice for course creators looking to leverage the power of email marketing without breaking the bank. 7. Zoom. Hosting live webinars, Q&A sessions, or virtual office hours is a great way to engage with your audience and provide additional value to your course participants. Zoom is a popular and affordable video conferencing tool that allows you to host virtual meetings and webinars with ease. With its robust features, including screen sharing, chat, and recording capabilities, Zoom is an indispensable tool for course creators looking to connect with their audience in real time. By leveraging these beautiful, affordable, and world's best tools, you can launch your online course with confidence, knowing that you have everything you need to create, promote, and deliver a valuable learning experience for your audience.